Good morning, dear class. Today we are going to start the differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Yesterday you have read that the respiration that takes place in the presence of oxygen is known as aerobic respiration, and the respiration that takes place in the absence of oxygen is known as anaerobic respiration. So let's see what this tabular form differences say. Aerobic respiration occurs in the presence of oxygen. Anaerobic respiration occurs in the absence of oxygen. Produces carbon dioxide and water. In aerobic respiration, as you have seen in the reaction, carbon dioxide and water are produced as the products, and in anaerobic respiration it produces carbon dioxide and alcohol. In aerobic respiration, large amount of energy is released, and in anaerobic respiration, small amount of energy is released. Aerobic respiration occurs throughout the life, and anaerobic respiration occurs for a short time. So as you have seen in the above, the differences are based on the presence of oxygen in aerobic respiration and in the absence of oxygen in anaerobic respiration. The topic next that today we are going to study is respiration in plants. You have studied earlier the types of respiration, the respiration in human beings, in different organisms, like they breathe through gases, through their skin, through gills. So similarly, now we are going to study respiration in plants. How do plants respire? How do they breathe? Plants need energy to carry out their metabolic activities like growth and reproduction, but they do not need as much energy as animals. Now, plant also needs energy for the activities like growth, reproduction, but they do not need as much energy as an animal needs. Like animals, plant also respire to get energy by oxidizing glucose into carbon dioxide, water vapor and energy. They take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. The reaction follows C6H12O6, that is glucose, plus 6O2, that is oxygen, gives 6CO2 plus H6H2O plus energy. Now, the process is very simple. As you know, plants take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. The reaction, that is with the digested food and oxygen to produce carbon dioxide, energy and water. Like animals, plants do not respire to get energy by oxidizing glucose into carbon dioxide, water, vapor and energy. So this process in animals and plants is the same. I hope you have understood the process of respiration in plants and also the differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration.